Hello, my name is Yolimel Pilar Martinez Aguilar. I study at the Open and Rumested National University UNAT. Effect of technology on the environment. From my point of view, technology has generated a significant impact on the environment as innovative opportunities for human well-being. I I think it has an impact on land degradation. Considered that we could build a more sustainable world according to the population growth and its economic growth, taking advantage of natural resources in a considerable way in the world. If can trend continues, it will cause a choke of natural resources. From my point of view, if people that not change their habits and action are not taken to reduce clothing warming, the effects such as poverty, hunger, malnutrition will worsen. It is necessary to combat the increasing rates of environment pollution is urgent to reduce the loss of livelihoods, social or economic uh, resources, and most importantly, environment damage. I recommend planning geopolitical objectives and strategic at generate protection and defense of natural resources. The human being must commit to change life habits such as save water, avoid excessive energy consumption, separate organic and recycled waste, reduce the use of cars, uh, consume only what is necessary and avoid compulsive purchases, use ecological biodegradable products. Thank you.